Cookies in a chocolate bar sounds incredible to me. So let's make it. We're firstly lining our mold with a nice thick layer of chocolate, just so that the cookies have something to stick to and you don't see them through the other side, and so you can see the shape of the chocolate bar mold. I'm making sure to make it nice and smooth so that when we put the cookies inside, they lie nice and flat and an even layer, because we don't want them to be sort of like bumpy. Here's the cookies we have today. They are, I think, double chocolate chip cookies. They are quite big, but I'm putting the full cookie into the mold and then filling in all of the little gaps with more of the cookies, because I didn't want it to have like big gaps of chocolate. I wanted the flavour and the texture of the cookie to be throughout the entire chocolate bar. Then I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a double layer. So I put some chocolate between so that the other cookies had something to stick to and to kind of seal the first layer in. I did think about putting it in the fridge to set, but then I thought, if I do that, then the other cookies won't have any sort of thing to stick to and it will be like loose on the top. So I ended up just leaving it wet and sticking more of the cookies on the top and crumbling more in between. And then once I'd filled all the gaps with more cookie, I did another layer of chocolate to finish it off and to seal everything in. I tried to get it as flat as possible, but this mold was now kind of overflowing. I may have overdone it slightly. I did have to go in and neaten up the edges a little bit because it was going over the sides. But I think once it's set, it will be absolutely fine. It might just be a slightly different shape. I took another cookie and crumbled that over the top, and then I decided I want to put another full cookie in the center. I originally split it in half and kind of had it like wings, but then I just thought it looked a bit strange, so I ended up using the chocolate as some glue to just stick it into the center. And I wanted to make it a bit more cohesive, so I drizzled some chocolate over the top, and I think it really tied it all together. I put it in the fridge to set, come back for the taste test, and comment what chocolate bar I should make next.